kind of crazy driving with no traffic, able to go at a decent rate. Kind of crazy. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kids. We are back for another video. Just got to Westlake, or Nike Westlake. They just opened. Got here 1 minute late. Let's go hurry up and see what they got. For those of you guys that do live in the United States, happy freaking 4th of July. It is 4th of July, and hope you guys had a great holiday and stuff like that. Do apologize for not getting videos out. But yeah, had family over. Let's hurry up and go inside and see what they got. All right, Google did tell me that I would get here around 10:04, 10:05, 10:01, you guys, 10:01. So they just opened. Let's go see what they got. I'm gonna have to lay low. If y'all been watching my videos, I'm gonna have to lay low here. Let's see what they got. Starting off with the small sizes, $140. $140, you do get 30% off everything. Size 8 right here. These are going for $2. Like I said, that 30% off. You do get full box of everything as well. Never seen these Air Force mids. These are kind of crazy. It is a premium, $130, size 8. 8.5. Never even seen this colorway. Look like it's been worn. But yeah, $170 for these. Size 8.5. Size 9, $220. The Alpha Fly Next Percent. Size 9, $75. $75 for Air Max 90s. That's pretty crazy, especially since you get that right there. Wow. $110 for these. That's a size 9.5. Size 9 Golf ADGs going for $130. Package says 37. It's going for $80 or $89.99. More of these LeBrons going for $170. Size 10s. Have I seen these before? Air Force Ones. These are some premiums. Normally $130 down to $120. And you get that extra discount. That's definitely different. Size 10.5. $135 for those. $120 for these. Some trainers. Oh. Size 11 with these weird things. $150. These are normally $160. Oh man. Some N7s. These are some free Crater Trail Mocks. Oh man, these are, those don't look like Nikes at all. 12.5, $190 for these. That extra discount, huge difference. Size 12, these are going for $75. Series. Okay, Jason Tatum ones. I didn't know they made those. Okay. Blazer Low GTs going for $75. These are size 12. Size 13, $190 for these. Interesting material. Have I seen these? It's like some super soft, not super soft suede nubuck. I don't know, but $190 for those. Size 14. They got these. $220 for these bad boys. The LeBron with the carpet on it. Then some trainers, and that's it. Nothing bigger than a 14 today. Then everything we've seen so far, 30% off. Full box and everything. Check out some of the regular stuff in the aisles. Jordan Access, some Zions right here. More of these Jordan Access. And then 13s. Are these gonna go on sale? That's gonna be surprising if they go on sale. These have been here for a couple months now. Wow. Plenty of sizes, 9 all the way to 14. Man, I'm saying these might go on sale soon. Checking out the men's aisles. They do have all this stuff right here. Some of the stuff in the aisles, some of them not. We saw these in the aisles. These are not in the aisles, but they probably do have multiple sizes. Jordan 6s, does have that nice leather on them. Then the Heritage with, I don't know, some whatever leather. I don't know. Some people said this is great. I think the side panel and the toe box, the white portions, I think the leather is just whatever, but I don't know. Yeah, $170 for those. Then in the actual aisles, got some Benassi slides. Some canvas Air Force Ones. These are premium, go for $140. Does have a canvas material, does have double swishes. Okay, I don't think I've ever seen these before. Okay. Extra soft suede Air Force Ones, $150 for these. And super soft, wow. I'm not digging the color, and I'm not digging the mid as well. But yeah, got some blazers, a couple different blazers. Then some space hippies. Of course, we'll see these on additional sale eventually. Might be the best deal here. Air Max 95s going for $130. Do get 30% off up to size 10.5. 6 all the way to 10.5. Not too bad. Then more of the workout stuff up here. They got Metcon 6s. They got these. Defy All Days, Wannabe Monarchs. Another one of those. Pegasus 37s. That's a really good price. Holy crap. More 37s. This is the cheapest Pegasus we've seen anywhere. Team Bank colorway 38s. Wow. More 38s. Invincible Run Flyknits. Infinity Run Flyknits. And just like some generic stuff, dude. Nothing too interesting. All right, let's go check out the clothing. They usually have some decent apparel here. Almost missed these two. Got some Benassi slides. These aren't super comfy, but they're 15 bucks, dude. That's what it is. And let's cover what I'm wearing today, too. Happy freaking 4th of July. Wearing some red, white, and blue today. These are LeBron 3 Super Bronze. Super fire. Wearing some PSG shorts. Man, these damn soccer shorts are so freaking short. I'm not used to wearing shorts that go right to my knees. And then, you know, just white. Red, white, and blue. Happy 4th of July, fools. They always seem to have fire apparel. 30% off as well. I think this is the smalls. Yeah, $70 for this jacket right here. Oh my God, this Jordan hoodie down to $25. $25? Are you serious? Damn, too bad I don't know any smalls. Damn, that's fire. Remember, that's $25. You get another 30% off. So under 20 bucks. Holy guacamole. Got a Lakers hoodie right here. This is a size small as well. Going for $60, normally $70. I think we're at the mediums, and they just got this bright ass stuff right here. Now we're in the mediums. They just got this bright stuff right here now. These are $35. ACG, I know some of y'all love ACG. Price on this, $80, normally $100. That additional 30% off, that's what really makes it. Tiger Woods jacket right here, going for $115, normally $1.25. Large, extra large section right here. This is $80 for this large hoodie. In the XL section, look at this. Is this the one that matches the Clot 5s? Clot Jordan 5s from a while back. Material looks like it's like glow in the dark. But $80, normally $120. That extra discount, this is XL, that is fire. Check out some more sales right. They got another one here. Small LeBron jerseys down to $80. We saw those cheap at the clearance store. If you follow my Instagram, y'all know. $90 for these. Udonis Haslam going for $80. Is that full even still with the Heat? Hell if I know. PSG t-shirt down to $25. That would probably match what I'm wearing now. These Hawaiian shirts, we've been seeing these a lot lately. $60 for these, normally 80 something. Seen a ton of these jerseys, the half-cent jerseys, the penny jerseys going for $70. Zion t-shirts, this is a medium, going for 20 bucks. Got other sizes as well. Just this Smith Schuster jersey, yeah, this has been here forever, $140. I do have a bunch of t-shirts and stuff, nothing too unique. Ooh, what's up with these shorts right here? Oh, it's a double XL. These are normally $75. I love this material. Got signature on it. Got the diamond on the side with the Jumpman logo. It's a double XL though. Yeah, normally $75 down to $60. Damn, I think those are the only shorts. Ooh, is this Alma Manier shorts? These Alma Manier shorts, $80. Normally $100. Yeah, these are the Airness shorts. Got roses on them. I don't know if y'all can tell on the camera. This is ridiculous. Does have a Jumpman logo. It says Alma Manier on it. That is fire to be able to find these here. This is a double XL though. What's up with all the heat in the double XLs, man? What's up with the regular sizes? Alright, I am in the other side. And yeah, nothing here. Dang it. These are the mediums right here. These are some super thin shorts where I said those before last time. Wear those at the Gentleman's Club. They're way too thin. Like, they just got just regular generic shorts here. What is this? Oh, what the hell? Yeah, not finding much heat today. Not at the short section, at least. Checking out some of the random stuff on sale. 30% off. Bunch of accessories. Look at this. Look at this. They got some gloves for the winter, obviously. $5. You get another 30%. $3.50. $3.50. I might get this. I do go to the snow once in a while. $5 or I'm sorry, $3.75. Dang. Hoodies down to $10. $7 after a discount. Got a couple different colors. And I am all about buying off season. You know, because, you know, got plenty of room. Well, not that much room, but yeah. They got lanyards here. And then they got these vapor goggles. Vapor goggles. This is performance stuff, though. $55 down to $10. Holy crap. $55 down to $10. Dang, dude. That's insane. That's insane. I'm leaving these right here. That's crazy. So $7. $55 down to $7 brand new. That's crazy. Alright, showing y'all I'm not neglecting the kids section. Just not seeing much. Not seeing much. Okay, I spoke too soon. $90 for these. That is kind of crazy. These ain't no $130 for kids, right? These are like $150 or something, right? But yeah, $90 you do get that extra 30 off. Size 6, that's actually kind of crazy. $115 for these. That's actually a really good price. These are normally $180 even for kids. Oh, these got switched. That's what it is. All right, let's do that. Let's do it. These idiots. Someone messed that up. But yeah, $90 for these. That's a hell of a price. $90. $115. Still not bad for that one. These is $180 normally. Dude got some dunks right here. These are going for $100. Not too shabby. And then grade school right here. Grade school right here going for $150. These are 5.5. That 30% off, making a huge difference. Got some Air Force One highs right here going for $90. That's a size 7. That's pretty much about it. Remember, you did get full box. Pretty dope. Checking out the women's section. What the hell is this, dude? Really? Kind of cheesy. But yeah, dude got these. Alright, $75 for these. Size 11. Huge. Vaporfly Next Percent. Going for $2. Size 11. Remember, it is 30% off. What is this? Jordan Air NFH? Okay, $99 normally. $110. Size 10.5. Dunk size 9 right here. Go for $120. Size 7.5. Not too many 8s, but yeah, $100 for these. Normally, what, $120? Size 7, $110 for these. 7.5, $130. These are kind of interesting. Okay. Pegasus 38's going for $110. These are 7.5. 6.5, $165. Just not finding much in the women's section. All right, let's look at the aisles, see if they got anything. In the aisles right here, women's section, Air Force One Shadows. These have been here for a while, so they've gone down in price. Fontankas right here. They do have Nike React inside. Got some decent material too. I don't know. I just don't like the look of that one. These look pretty dope. Pretty plain, but I like the all whites. Kind of like how the double everything as well. I just realized 20% off on the women's section only. That's kind of crazy. We didn't see that in the men's for sure. All right. We're out. Let's go. Let's go. Pay my, what, $3 and something cents for this. Yeah, let's head out. $3.50, I think. $3.50. Look, it looks like I missed out on something. Someone got some infrared 4s. Damn. That's probably in the clearance section too. 20%, 30% off. Damn. All right, I'm a big spender. $372 after taxes or something. All right, guys. Yeah, didn't come up too crazy. Someone did come up on some infrared 4s. That was kind of dope. That's kind of crazy. I guess I got to return something. But yeah, shout out to that guy with the shoes. Did see him in the store. Talked to him for quite a few minutes because he's one of the homies. But that is why I trust certain resellers. That's why I trust certain people, because they're out and about. I see them all the time. That's why I know they're getting legit stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Pretty decent spot, you know. Happy 4th of July to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the 4th of July. Once again, I do apologize for missing out on some videos here and there. Just had family stuff, you know. It is what it is. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed your long holiday weekend. Got plenty of stuff coming. I'm gonna be out all day today looking for videos for y'all. Hopefully can help some of y'all find some dope stuff. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I got plenty coming. And if you're new, man, I go to a lot of Nike outlets, buy a lot of sneakers, go to sneaker shops, help you guys come up on stuff, hopefully. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah.